Hi, Advanced Algebra 2 students. Welcome to week 4 of remote learning. I am going to walk you through this week. We are learning one more topic, then we're going to have a Zoom review together on Thursday at noon. It's optional. And then our quiz will be on Friday. It'll be a quizzes. So I do want to take a moment before I walk you through that on Google Classroom to address what Governor Pritzker said on Friday, which is that we're extending remote learning through the remainder sorry, Noah, of this school year. I know that can make some of us feel certain emotions, so feel free to send me a remind message or an email. If you have any concerns, questions, anything, I'm here to help. So let's talk through week 4. Advanced Algebra 2 is our class. Let's go to classwork. So we still have a place for you to click for your weekly assignments, and then the new assignment for this week is worksheet 10. So our weekly assignments, we're done with weeks 1, 2, and 3. That's why those are grayed out on our assignment sheet. We're in week 4. Wednesday, watch this week 4 welcome video. You're already watching it. Then you're going to watch Learning Target 3 notes. That's on geometric sequences. And take notes in your notebook. Complete and submit worksheet 10 in the exact same way we've been submitting the other worksheets on your Google Classroom. New this week, our first Zoom Jeopardy review. Woohoo, woohoo. It's Thursday, April 23rd at 12 p.m. around lunchtime. The link is going to be posted right here on this schedule. So on Thursday, log on at noon, click on the link, and then join us for some Jeopardy review. We'll be reviewing arithmetic and geometric sequences. Friday, you're going to complete this arithmetic and geometric sequence quizzes quiz. I think there's about 19 questions. Some of them are as simple as tell me what the common difference is. Some of them have you finding a missing term, finding the n value, finding the explicit formula. So all of that is on this quizzes quiz. Make sure you log into quizzes, and there's one of the questions asks for your actual name. So make sure you put your full name in there so that I can grade your quiz. Just like the last test, only if the quiz raises your grade will it go in the grade book to count for you, only if it raises your grade. So yeah, that's all I have. If you have any questions for me, again, let me know, send me a remind. I'm here to help.